Hello, Randy, Eric, Jonathan, Mike, the whole crew at Piney Creek Auto Clinic. I am Derek Price, and I'm doing your video tutorial for updating your website, pineycreekautoclinic.com. Just finished up this week. So, you can see we're here on your home page, and the first thing I'm going to be talking about is adding a new post, a news post to your website. If you're not familiar with the blogging, or adding news posts as opposed to creating new pages within WordPress, then this is what this tutorial is for. Basically, you can see on your homepage you have your automated content coming in from AutoNet TV every week, and these are in their own categories. This is in maintenance, for example. So if I want to see all the posts in maintenance, I can go there. But just for clarity, you've got your own category for news, where you might add something if it's a timely news post, show up in your Facebook feed, in your fans' feed if they choose to subscribe via RSS. This link here. You can see I put up a news post. I always do this when I start a website. Just in general, welcome. Here's our new website. I'm trying to direct them to do some, appointments online. All that good stuff. So anyway, we're going to add a new one real quick, and I'm going to show you all the cool things you can do in the WordPress. So down here at the bottom, you can see Administrator Login. That's where you log in. I'm going to log into the WordPress dashboard here, and disregard that error. The only reason it's saying that is just because I have not linked my Facebook profile login to this particular website. You can do that if you want to, just to kind of make it a little easier. Your patrons, your fans on Facebook, they can also do that. So if they want to leave comments or things like that, it'll show their Facebook identity on your website. Pretty cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in here. And here you can see we're in our WordPress dashboard. And on the left is all the links that you're going to need here. Under posts, that's what we're looking for. We're making a new news post. And I'm going to add new. First thing, you're making a new post. And actually, let me change something up real quick. This is the way I like to see my screen here. I've got my publish section over here. The first thing that you want to do when you're making a new post is put it in the right category. Sorry for that quick crazy zoom there. I didn't mean to zoom so fast on you. We're going to choose news. As you can see, here's all of these automated content categories that are automatically created whenever AutoNet TV makes a new post for you. So we're going to make a new news post manually. And every post you want to put some tags on it. I've decided that maybe a good example would be like a community event. So let's say that your community does Relay for Life for cancer research. So the reason we're doing tags is it helps people find you on the web. Both in like Google, Colorado. Sorry. Both in Google searches and also search function within your website. Help people find this particular post. That's what they're looking for. Alright. So, we're back, here, enter title here, so I'm going to say Relay for Life 2012. Alright. So, down here, as you might guess, here's your content area. You have all these options for formatting your text. And you know the default is paragraph, so I'm just going to start typing. Piney Creek will take part in Aurora's. So I just got a sentence here that you know, I could make this word bold, italic, strike through, underline. Gonna go all kinds of crazy with this. Maybe I want to change the color, make it green for some reason. I don't know why that with strike through it just shows as red, so I'm just gonna unstrike through this for that particular purpose. You know, maybe you want to go really cray-cray and explode it and make it huge. Piney Creek. So there are a couple of other cool things I'm going to show you here where you can add some more items. Obviously, you're familiar with the bulleted list. So let's say you want to make a couple of points here. Let's put a bullet in front of that first. You know, if you use Microsoft Word, you can update your website. It's pretty great. I'm going to do one other thing here real quick, and it's add an image. Right here at the top of the visual editor, you see upload insert. We're going to say add media, and I'm going to grab a picture. There's a poster. Zoom out so I can see what I'm doing here. Open. It's uploading it from my computer. One of my friend's bands playing back in the day. I'm in here. It's pretty cool. But anyway, so you want to make sure to put a title here in this field, and copy paste. Alright, so you want to make sure that you put something in for title and something in for alternate text also, because some browsers read title, some browsers read alternate text. You'll definitely want that there. Help with your search engine stuff, as well as in case for whatever reason images are turned off in someone's browser, or they're not loading up right. You know, they have a little flag there to tell them what it is. You can link it to, you know, the image to whatever you want. For instance, we got turnaroundtour.com or DerekPrice.net. Cheap plug for my affiliations here. You could say none, or you could say file URL. And the reason why you want to do file URL is because when you upload an image to WordPress, it automatically slices it up so you have a thumbnail size, a medium size, a full size. And so if you're linking to the file URL, you can link the thumbnail or the medium up to the full-size image if you click on it. Pretty good. So I'm also what I'm doing here is I am going to align none. So if you had it aligned right, if you had some text there already, it would align it right to the text. Aligning none, it just clears it for another space for text there. But you can have it wrapping left or center or what have you, however you want to do it. For simplicity's sake, I just said none. Zooming out, so you see there's our little thumbnail. I'm going to type some more text in here. Oh, let's go back and edit this image real quick. I'll show you something else. Forgot about. Click on a little, if you want to, edit something, then you can see the little box here for edit image, and the one on the right is delete it. I'm going to edit it real quick. I'm going to put a caption here. I'm going to put the same thing in, Jack poster, and I'm just going to have a caption for the image, and I'll show you how that looks here in a minute. But you can also resize it if you want to, bring it down a little bit. I'm going to leave it as is, and you would if I choose left align. I'm not going to do that. Just hit update. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is You know, it automatically saves, and as you go, I'm just going to go ahead and save it now, and I'm going to preview it. I'm waiting for it right now. Show back up. Alright, so I'm going to hit preview over here in the top right. Take a look at what it looks like. Another tab in my browser. And here's what it looks like. So you can see the image there. Click on the image. Brings the whole thing up. There's me on the left of your screen. The microphone in my hand like 100 grand. I'm going to hit back on the browser there. And I'm closing this out. Since it looks like I want it to look. I can, if I want to, get this on my screen. Up here at the top right, I can publish it right now. I could choose to publish it later, or in a month. I could save the draft right now, hit publish, and do what you want to do with it. But since we're not actually going to use this for your website, I'm going to hit move to trash. And that's your post. That's your news post. So there's your WordPress basic right there for your news post. Thanks so much.